Let's start with Module 4. Administer Virtual Networking. What is a virtual network and what things should you consider when creating a virtual network?
A virtual network is a logical representation of your own network. Virtual networks can be used in cloud and hybrid cloud scenarios. When creating a virtual network, you will need to define the address space and create at least one subnet. Subnets in the virtual network subnet must have a unique address range that does not overlap with other subnets. Also consider traffic control, resource isolation, and topology.
What are the two types of virtual networking addresses?
Private IP addresses used within an Azure virtual network and your on-premises network. When you use a VPN gateway or express route circuit to extend your network to Azure, you are using private IP addresses. Public IP addresses are used for communication with the Internet, including Azure public-facing services. For example, a customer retail website.
What is a network security group, NSG, and when would you use it?
A NSG filters network traffic to and from Azure resources in an Azure virtual network. An NSG lists the security rules that allow or deny inbound or outbound network traffic. For example, limiting inbound traffic to only front-end web servers. Another example, limiting outbound traffic from protect internal virtual machines.
What is an Azure Firewall and how would you use it?
Azure Firewall is a managed, cloud-based network security service that protects your Azure virtual network resources. Firewalls are usually deployed in a hub-spoke topology. Shared services, that is, Bastion, VPN gateways, are in the hub. Internal services are isolated and protected in the spokes. Azure Firewall can be used to translate and filter inbound internet traffic to your subnets. Azure Firewall can also be used to connect your on-premises network to Azure. You can configure rules, source addresses, protocols, destination ports, and destination addresses to specify exactly what the firewall filters.
What is an Azure DNS domain? And can you change the name assigned to you?
The Domain Name System, DNS, is a naming database in which Internet domain names are located and translated into Internet Protocol, IP, addresses. The Domain Name System maps the name people use to locate a website to the IP address that a computer uses to locate that website. Azure DNS is a hosting service for DNS domains that provides name resolution. When you create an Azure subscription, an Azure AD domain is created for you. This initial domain takes the form domain name. On Microsoft.com, you can change or customize the domain name. However, you will need to verify ownership of the domain name.
Well done.
Thank you.